they could have a hemianopsia where they're missing the entire side on the left or the entire side of the visual field on the right. When we talk about traumatic brain injuries, it is very common to see visual deficits that occur secondary to that traumatic brain injury. Some of the more commonly known deficits that we see may be accommodation deficits, focusing ability. We may see challenges with eye teaming, so someone may have a condition such as convergence insufficiency. We may have ocular motor deficits where now someone has difficulty with tracking and may lose their place when they're reading, skip over words or lines, reread words or lines. And then there are some issues that may occur that may be less commonly known. Some of these would include visual field deficits, so someone may have a missing area of the vision, or they could have a hemianopsia where they're missing the entire side on the left or the entire side of the visual field on the right. We can have what was often called visual neglect, but is now more commonly referred to as visual, spatial inattention. And this is essentially where the brain forgets to pay attention to the visual space on one side or the other. We can have difficulty with midline shifts. So this is where an individual's physical midline and their visual midline are no longer aligned. And then we can also have difficulty with peripheral motion sensitivity. And this can cause issues such as glare and flicker sensitivity. The person may no longer be able to go to crowded environments such as stores, or may have difficulty when driving down the road or even being a passenger in the car with all of the busy cars surrounding them.